This isn't just a van, it's a statement. Introducing a stunning VW Transporter T6.1, a vehicle that combines exceptional accessibility with head-turning style. Finished in a beautiful and incredibly rare bayleaf green, this is a truly unique vehicle. And with just 17,000 miles on the clock, it's in absolutely pristine condition. This Transporter has been professionally converted for rear wheelchair access, featuring a full-length low floor and a simple-to-use fold-out ramp. With 4 passenger seats plus a dedicated space for a wheelchair passenger, everyone can travel together comfortably. Drive with ease thanks to features like air conditioning, cruise control, and App Connect. Front and rear parking sensors make every maneuver simple and stress-free. For complete peace of mind, this vehicle comes with a 2-year RAC Platinum warranty and 12 months of roadside assistance. This is an exceptionally rare find. Contact Jubilee Automotive Group to find out more.